Hello everyone, welcome to the class. We'll continue with the same topic of photosynthesis. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about role of stomata in photosynthesis. Now, we already know what stomata are and where they are present. Stomata are the tiny pores present on the leaf epidermis along with the young green stems also, but very few in numbers. Okay, so these stomatas are responsible for maximum exchange of gases required for photosynthesis in the plants. Okay, other than that, the structures which involved in the exchange of gases can be the root hair present on the roots and the lenticels similar to that of the stomata present on the stem. So that these are those structures which are helping exchange of gases for the plant. So maximum exchange of the plant is occurring through the stomata which present on the leaf surfaces. Got it? So more the number of stomata, more will be the gases exchange. Now, by which process the gases are going to exchange? So we know this is via diffusion. That is from higher concentration to lower concentration. Okay, higher concentration of gases to lower concentration of gases, the exchange will occur. For example, the concentration of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is high as compared to the cells of plant. So, from atmosphere, the carbon dioxide moves to the lower concentration, that is the leaf cells. Got it? So, in this way it is going to move. So, we already know stomata mainly perform two functions: transpiration, the loss of water from the leaf surfaces, and exchange of gases. So here we are going to focus on the gases exchange. Now let's see how this opening and closing of stomata take place and how that help in getting into the CO2 and release of oxygen. Now you can see these structures, the yellow one, these are termed as guard cells. So as they are guard cells, what they are going to do? They are going to guard this pore and they are responsible for the opening and closing of stomata. I'll repeat, the guard cells are regulating the closing and opening of stomata. We'll see how. Now, guard cell, they filled with water. ठीक है, guard cell में water fill होने वाला है, filled with water, ठीक है, and this water make the cell turgid. Fine, and when the cell become turgid, this inner wall of the guard cell is comparatively thick. Okay, so that results into creating a kind of a pressure, turgor pressure, and that results into creating a pore, which is termed as stomatal pore. ये stomatal opening है. So now at this time, when these guard cells are filled with water, this stomatal pore is open. Okay, and when the water is released to the side-by cells, then what is going to happen? These cell walls of the guard cell, they come together and results into the closing of stomata. Fine. Now, from where the guard cells they get water? They get the water from the side-by cells. We can just look over here. For example, these are the cells of the leaf and this is the last one, the guard cell, okay, of the stomata. This cell is having the high concentration of water, got it, and potassium ion. So what these cells do? They, from the higher concentration to lower concentration, water will move. So water comes to this cell, and this cell is supplied with water continuously. Water will keep on moving in the upper direction from higher concentration to lower concentration and reaches to the outer one, that is the epidermis containing the stomata. So these guard cells filled with water. Okay, and this entry of water is due to the concentration difference which is created by intake of this potassium ion from the surrounding cells. I'll repeat, surrounding cells के पास potassium ion की concentration ज़्यादा होगी and this will be taken by the cells that will facilitate the entry of water into the cells. और इसका reverse हो जाएगा जब water cell में से release होगा. So as these guard cells are filled with water, higher concentration of water and lower concentration in atmosphere, so their water is released out in the form of the water vapor, which we call transpiration. Got it? So in this way, when the guard cells are filled with water, they become turgid and results into the opening of stomata. When the water from the guard cell released out, they get shrink and results into the closure of the stomatal pore. By this way, the gases are exchanged in the plant for the process of photosynthesis. Thank you.